Good morning. I'm glad to see all of you up and about. Just kidding. No, what I wanted to do today was to kind of give you a little guidance in doing the homework assignment, particularly the network diagramming one. There's probably less documentation there than you need, so I'm going to go ahead and make a video and demonstrate to you how to do this. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, here we are at the desktop, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a page, Drawio. This is a free drawing app. It doesn't cost anything. You can just sign up and basically they'll let you in. Doesn't cost anything. You can save the diagrams, etc. But it will ask you to make an account, so I would use your Grayson credentials just so they don't send junk mail to anybody or whatever. So anyway, we're going to we go to draw.io and we're going to create a new diagram. And we're going to create a network diagram. So of the list of possible templates to start with, you can just use a blank diagram and start there, but networking also makes sure you'll have all the right icons in. So I'm going to go ahead and do this, and I'm going to pick this one down here because it seems like a simple home network kind of a design. So I'm going to pick that one. And I want to use the root folder, doesn't really matter. And I want to replace it. Yeah, I've already started a drawing like this, so I'm going to replace it. Okay, so here's what I got. It gives me a generic sort of a diagram. I've got the internet out here, going through a firewall into a router, and then these are all wireless connections. Well, that does not represent my home network, so I'm going to get rid of some of these icons. So I don't have an external firewall. My firewall is built into my router, so I'm going to get rid of that. And I'm going to move this router up because that is how mine works. I go from the internet, and actually, I wonder if they have a fiber router, because that's really what I need, is a fiber router. But I'm not seeing one, so well, shoot. No, just going to have to go with the straight into the router, because the router and the fiber, I guess it's an endpoint, they don't have that particular thing there. So that is what it is. So I'm going to go from there to there. So internet comes into my router through a fiber termination. I do have a printer, and it is wireless, so I'm going to leave that. Laptop, I do have, and it's wireless. My mobile phone, we do have that. They're wireless. Actually, I have a couple of those. I have PCs, but they are not wireless. PCs, and I don't do a tablet very much. My PC is, in fact, not wireless at all. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, because that is not wireless. And let's see what I needed to get to down here. There we go. Okay. So the PC is not wireless at all. Did that connect? Yeah, it did. All right. If you get them to connect, if you don't get them close enough, they don't connect. But if you connect them, then you can move these around, and they'll move the connection with them. My PC is not wireless. My wife's PC also not wireless, so I have to use a wired connection there. So I've got that and that. My son's PC, let's see here. PC, just a plain, not a secured system. There we go. There's one. All right, my son's PC, also not wireless. So there's that. Okay. All right, so my wife, myself, my son, mobile phones. We all have mobile phones. There's another mobile phone down here. Doesn't look like it. copy these things. paste. Sure enough, I can. I'll allow that. Why not? Okay, there we go. All right, so, but I do not need a laptop. What I needed was a mobile phone, so let's do that. Copy and paste. Okay, so wife's mobile phone. It is in fact a wireless connection. Also my son's mobile phone is a wireless connection. So let me find some more wireless connections. I'll just copy one. Alright, there's one. And there's another one. Okay, so that pretty well covers my network, not counting the Internet of the Things and all the hardware devices. I have Hue lights and all kinds of Google appliances that I'm not going to require you, nor am I going to try to involve there, because that's frankly, there's not enough room on this page for all the devices. I have over 50 internet-controlled lights in my house, and garage door, ring doorbell, thermostat, all kinds of things that. So just computer devices. Don't worry about other devices. Just get your computers, mobile phones, tablets, that sort of thing. So at my house, I have the internet coming into a router. I have a wireless connection to my printer, to my laptop, to my wife's and my son's mobile phones, and then I have wired connections to our PCs. So that would be an accurate depiction of our network. And so now what I want to do is I'm going to save that, and I'm going to share it with me. And let's see. I'm just going to download it. Okay. And now that I have it downloaded on my PC, then what I can do, let's go to student view here. So this is the assignment as you would see it. It says, please complete a network diagram, your personal network, using Drawio. Looks like I should have exported it as a JPEG. So let's see if I can do that. Export as a JPEG. Okay. Yeah, that would actually be better. And then I'm going to save that to, okay, I'm going to call it network. I don't really care what name you give it. Doesn't matter. And I'm going to save it to this device. And sure enough, there it is. All right, so now I've exported it as a JPEG. And now I'm going to click the Start Assignment button, upload the file, choose the file, and that's in my Downloads folder. So I'm going to go there, network.jpg, open that, submit assignment, and confetti. Yay! All right, that is how you would accomplish this assignment. That is a step-by-step all the way through. You should be able to complete the assignment from there and without too much difficulty. If you do have problems, remember, Canvas inbox, let me know, and we will go from there. But like I say, you should not have too much difficulty. All right, guys, so I hope everything's going well with you and that the class is not too confusing. Let me know if there are issues, if it's too easy, if it's too hard, if you don't feel like you're getting your money's worth. Let me know. Okay, that's the only way I can fix it is if you tell me. So please let me know. Otherwise, make sure you get this one done for homework. You got about 4 days to do it. I believe it's due the 29th, and either the 28th or the 29th. Make sure you check in Canvas. Let's see. Yep, due on Monday. Monday by 11:59 p.m. So you've got plenty of time to get this done. Also, the other one done. I will be doing a video on the other assignment and kind of walking you through that using Nmap. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I hope you have a good day.